So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Peacock subtitle not working. Closed caption setup. Step 1 is toggle the subtitle track. Start the movie or show on Peacock. Press down on the remote to display the video playback bar. Press left to highlight the closed captioning icon. Then press OK or enter to access the menu. Select none and wait for about 30 seconds. Reopen the bubble icon menu and choose your preferred language. Fix 2 is check your device accessibility setting. In Roku, navigate to setting, then accessibility, then caption and set to on or always on. In Fire TV, access setting, accessibility, closed captioning and enable it. In Apple TV, go to setting, accessibility, subtitle and captioning to turn on caption. In smart TVs like Samsung and LG's, use the remote CC or AD/sub-T button to access caption setting. Third fix is clear the Peacock app cache. Navigate to the device main setting menu, select app or application, find and select Peacock, choose clear cache and clear data. Relaunch the app, log back in, test your video. Fourth fix is restart your device. Completely close out for a Peacock app, power down your streaming stick, game console or smart TV, unplug the device from the wall outlet and wait 30 to 60 seconds. Plug it back in, turn it on and reopen Peacock. Fifth fix is update and reinstall the app. Open your device app store like Google Play Store, Apple App Store or Google Channel Store. Search for the Peacock app. Check for any available update for the app. If the app is fully updated, proceed to install it. Reinstall the Peacock app to give it a fresh start. Thanks for watching.